Namaste students, I am Jaipur Dr. Ajit Khan from Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today I am going to discuss about the topic classification of bacteria. So it is also a topic which is belonging to the fundamental microbiology we take a BT second semester. We talk about the classification of bacteria, fungus, viruses, and some other microorganisms. The classification of bacteria is different from because bacteria can be classified not only on single basis, they are being classified on various bases, and not a single basis can be used for the classification of the bacteria. Bacteria are present in the environment in the vast conditions, and there is a lot of diversity is found in the bacteria. So they are divided into different bases. And the first classification scheme was published in 1773 and many have been applications. And science of microbiology had developed other kinds of classification, but there are some important uh, classification include various type of classification patterns. If we talk about the various bases of the bacterial classification, so the first uh, these are the bases. For example, the first is the morphological classification of the bacteria, anatomical classification of the bacteria, staining classification on the basis of the staining, classification on the basis of the pathogenicity, classification on the basis of the relationship to the host and organism, classification on the basis of the nutrition, classification on the basis of the environment. These are the bases by which we can classify bacteria. And first, we discuss about the morphological classification. First type of classification is the morphological, and bacteria can be classified according to the morphological characters, like how they appear, what is their cell size, what is their cell shape, what is their structure, and their specific arrangement, or what is their specific arrangement. So they can be classified on the basis of morphological. In that basis, the first bacteria can be classified on six groups on the morphological basis. It is a very large basis by which we can classify the bacteria on six more groups. So the first would be the true bacteria. In the morphological classification, the first class is true bacteria. True bacteria means the bacteria which are actual in sense, means they are real bacteria. Okay. And if we talk about the real bacteria, then how we can classify them? So on morphological, the first classification is the cocci. If the bacteria are spherical or oval, then on the basis the bacteria can be classified into different. First is cocci. First classification in the true bacteria is the first shape is the cocci. So on the basis of the cocci, we can also further classify them that monococci. If bacteria is in single colony and they are spherical or round in shape, then they are known as the monococci. Diplococci, if the bacteria are in two colony, in a colony of two bacteria, then they are known as the diplococci. And the example includes the Streptococcus pneumonia. They are in the pair, one pair. If the bacteria are in a cluster, leaf-like cluster, and they are round. The cluster is the cluster is composed of the uh, round shaped colonies. Then this is known as the Staphylococcus. And the example include the Staphylococcus aureus. If the bacteria are round in shape and they are in chain, one cell is attached to another cell in a chain, then they are known as the streptococci. If the bacteria are in two pairs, they are in two pairs in cocci in group of four. These two pairs are there, then they are known as the micro. They are known as the tetra. Tetra means four. So they are in a group of four, then they are known as the tetra. Example include the micrococcus. Next is the if the coca is in a group of eight, four groups combine to one group of four, and then make a group of eight that is known as the Sarcina. So the two bacteria are divided in some different shapes. The first one was cocci. The next shape is the bacilli. Bacilli are the bacteria which are in root cell. On the basis of the arrangement of the organism, they can also be further classified that one bacilli, which one single bacillus bacteria. Diplobacilli means they are in a pair of streptobacilli means and the bacteria are root cell and they are in a chain. Then they are known as streptobacilli. And so these are the some examples of these bacilli. Some another examples include the cocobacilli. Cocobacilli is a combination of one coccus and bacillus. If a bacteria have both combination of coccus spherical and the forceps, then this type of bacteria is known as cocobacillus. Similarly, some bacteria can also be found to have coma-like structure. So some bacteria are also in coma-like structure. So these bacteria are known as the vibrios. The second class, first class was the tree bacteria, and the second class is the actinomycetes. These are not the true bacteria. Means uh, what are the meaning of the actinomycetes? Actin means ray, actinomycetes means fungus. These bacteria, which looks like fungus, and these are rigid organisms like true bacteria, but they resemble fungi in that they exhibit branching and tend to form filaments. So they form filaments like fungus. So they are not true bacteria, and they are termed such because of their resemblance to sun rays. Actin means ray, so they are not termed to actinomycetes because they look like a ray. They look like ray, so they are termed with the actinomycetes. And various examples have been discussed about the actinomycetes. Also discussed about the actinomycetes in this video. So these are the important group of bacteria which are normally observed in the soil. The next class of bacteria is spirochetes. So I am discussing about the morphological. So the third number of morphological characteristic of bacteria is spirochetes. And these are the bacteria which are longer, they are slender in nature, they are non-branched organisms, and they are spiral shaped. So they are known as the spirochetes. But due to the spiral uh, nature, due to the spiral morphology, they are known as the spirochetes. They are longer, they are slender in nature, they have not any branch, so they are known as the spirochetes. Next class is the mycoplasma. Mycoplasma are the bacteria that lack in rigid cell wall, and they are highly pleomorphic, and they are of different shapes. their round or oval bodies in intellectual phenomena. So they do not have cell wall. Special class of they are microorganisms which are known to cause. The next class is the rickettsia and the chlamydia. These are the microorganisms. These are the bacteria which are very small. They are obligate parasite. It one considered the viruses, but they are not viruses. Now they are considered as a bacteria due to the similarity to the viruses. They were previously considered as a virus. They are not virus. They are cellular organisms. Yeah. What are their characteristics? They are usually parasites in nature. Inside surface, they are parasites in nature, and they can cause disease. So these are the morphological classification. Some various type of classification can also be found. So in this lecture, I discussed about some classification patterns of some bacterial species. Which I discussed about the classification of the bacteria on the basis of their physical characters. The first class was the two bacteria which have different shapes like focus, uh, focus and uh, road shape. In the focus and the road shape bacteria, these bacteria are known to have different colonies like monococcus have single, diplococcus is in pair, staphylococcus is in uh, bunch, and streptococcus is in chain, tetras in the four, and sarcina is in group of 8. So these are the characters of two bacteria. And similarly, if we talk about the bacillus, similar things are also observed in the bacillus. Some bacteria are also found to have coma shape structure. And some bacteria are known to have coma shape structure, which are also known as vibrios. Example is the vibrio. So these are the three bacteria. Some another bacteria which are also classified on the basis of their morphological is include the actinomycetes, which are actin, which are like some very like structure, and their morphology is like fungus. They are bacteria, but their morphology is like fungus. So they are not considered into the category of the true bacteria because of their similarity to the fungus. And the next third class is spirochetes, which are slender non-glass microorganisms which are spiral in nature. And the fourth class is the mycoplasma, which do not have any kind of cell wall, and they have pleomorphic in nature. It means they are on different shapes. So they are mycoplasma and may cause disease. And the last class of bacteria is Rickettsia and chlamydia. Previously, these are the microorganisms were found, which were previously known as the viruses, but at this time, at present time, they are considered as the bacteria. And the reason behind they were considered as the viruses is that they are parasite in nature. They are obligate parasite, and due to this parasitic nature, they were considered as the viruses. So I hope that students will better understand all these things. If you have, you can ask me. So the question which can arise from this lecture, the examiner can ask you the different shapes. Can ask you about the different shapes of the bacteria. Like so they can given you can be given any kind of diagram, and from that diagram they can ask which is which type of bacteria is this, and they can also ask you about the examples. like they can ask you about the examples of the streptococcus. They can also ask you about the root type bacteria, okay, bacillus bacteria. So anything can be asked. So um, one more question which can arise: explain the classification of bacteria on the basis of their morphology. So they can be these questions can be asked. So I hope you can better answer all these questions. So my lecture is over here. If you have, you can ask me.